MrFuryMcFuryPlays. My name is agentboxy. Welcome to my first toy review. We will be reviewing 5 toys and see if they're fun or lame. So guys, I've already unboxed them, so I'm sorry y'all didn't see me unboxing them. But guys, let's just get straight into the video. First off, we have this blue monster truck. When I was say furry, I loved monster trucks because my favorite monster truck was Gravedigger. So let's review it. I found this out by unboxing it. It was broke a little bit. Let's see how good the wheels are. So okay. So I'm going to label this one fun. But y'all can decide in the comments below too. Our second one is a collectible because I like collecting classic cars, muscle cars. Here it is. Old Dodge Charger. Let's go ahead and open up doors. What y'all see in there? That's good. See if I can get this thing real quick. Give me a guy. There we go. Open up trunk. That's good. Okay. Now the engine is my favorite part because I love that old car. Okay. I label this one fun. Oh. It just broke off something. Maybe fun. Maybe lame. Maybe fun. So, let's go ahead and go number 3. A Dodge Power Wagon. So, well, I'll get you out in there. So, it's one of those things that you pull back and it does that. I don't like these kind of toys. So, I label it not fun. Get close to the last one. Number 4. Station wagon. Matchbox station wagon. So I label it fun. Now, what do we? Oh, those do not work. So not fun. And it's rusted. Nobody likes rusted toys. So here is our final one. An old Chevy Camaro. Go ahead, open doors. Let's see in there. Okay, it's one of these again. So this thing makes a loud noise like. So I labeled this fun. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, add me on Twitter at @TheRealAgentBoxy. Check out my little fishing lure free. Check out my dog's channel, RammerPlays. Check out my second channel, MrFuryMcFuryPlays. I'll see you guys in the next mission.